Hello, Heather here from Starkweather Association Services. We are your most experienced and trusted your membership partner. Welcome to 1 Minute YM. If you are new, this is our video series all about your membership tips and tricks to help prepare YM technology for your team and your team for YM technology. Today, I'm going to go over how to create a sales report to gather summary totals by your general ledger or GL accounts. These types of reports are really great resources to ensure financial integrity. And this is a tool that can help you reduce discrepancies that might cause errors in numbers for future planning and budgeting. And that's really important because this can be that tool for a clear picture of like where money is being earned on the YM site. So it's twofold there, giving you that option for future budgeting and planning, and then also some cleanup there as needed. So definitely help your accounting team out by creating this report today, and then they can use that to keep their financial records more accurate. If you ever need more in-depth help with financial or accounting related reports, please contact us for help. We have experts that have been using this custom reporting tool for almost 10 years, and we know a lot of the nuances that go into creating a report to get the results that you might need to see. So definitely reach out if you need help. All right, to begin, you're going to navigate to the YM custom reporting tool, which is located in Exports and Reporting. And then on the left menu, you're going to see Custom Queries, Reports, and you're going to choose Build a Query or Report. And you're going to go ahead and enter a friendly title. This is a title that you will know what this is referring to when you are running that and sharing that report. So Summary Sales by GL, or some type of friendly name like that. The area of interest is going to be Commerce. And we're actually going to use two tables to collect our fields. We're going to use the invoice table and the invoice items table. So first, let's choose some fields from the invoice table. And we're going to go with first and last name. And we're also going to go with organization. And then invoice date and invoice number. Now go ahead and scroll down to the invoice items table. And we're going to select date submitted, GL code item name, your item description. That's going to be the name of the event ticket or the name of the membership they have purchased. Then we want that line total so that we can collect that summary. And another thing to note, if you use QB classes, you can select this as well and also do an additional summary based on that one. All right, now you're going to go ahead and continue to query filters. In the criteria, this is where we are telling the YM system that I need only records that match the certain set of results that I'm putting in here. So for today, I'm going to use a date range because I'm looking for transactions that occur during a specific time period. And then I'm also going to use the item category because if this is a sales report, I'm only interested in my revenue items, those things that have been purchased and not necessarily paid for, so that I can do those type of totals. All right, so let's go ahead and do that date range, and that's going to be entity, and we're going to choose invoice items, and we're going to go with date submitted, and choose is between. And I'm going to choose this month because I'm just looking at the month so far. You can definitely make that a custom range, whatever you need there. And the reason we're going date submitted is sometimes you'll have adjustments that are applied to the invoice afterwards. So it could be the date submitted is going to be equal to the invoice date, or the date submitted is going to be equal to the date an adjustment or promo code was applied after the invoice was created. So that's why I'm choosing that particular date field. All right, add an additional criteria. And we're going to go invoice items again as our entity. Our field is going to be item category. Our condition is going to be is equal to, and our value, you're going to put a capital R and then make sure to save that line. And just that's the most important part, because if we don't save that line, it's only looking at that top line. And so you're going to get inaccurate results. So just make sure to always save all the lines in your criteria groups. All right, now we're ready to run the report. All right, when we run the report, you're going to see every line listed here. As you see, most of this is like event tickets. You might also see like credit or promo code in there eventually. All right, now it's time to do our summary. So we want to do this aggregation table here. So aggregation, this top line, we're going to hit sum. Aggregate field is going to be line total. Chart type is totally up to you. They offer bar, column, and pie. And then we're going to group by GL. That's how we get the GL and the summary of each one. And then choose run aggregation. And as you see, it's going to give us this nice color-coded chart where we have our GL code in parentheses and the total next to it. And then also, if you scroll down, you're going to have a summary report here where you see your GL listed and the total amount. And this is where I was talking about it's good to resource for checking for discrepancies, because I notice, oh, we have a total that doesn't have a GL code attached. So then I could clear this aggregation and go to my results list and see which item is causing that and update it appropriately in YM. Unfortunately, YM does not have an option to retroactively update any previous transactions that have gone through the site with the appropriate GL code. It's only a moving forward that has to be coded within your product, your membership, prior to the person purchasing it. Okay, and the last step is to make sure to save this query. So as you see, that title comes across, and we're going to stick this into accounting and share with the other administrators, yes, or keep it private if you do not want to, and then go ahead and save that report. And once you save it, it will be listed in your saved queries and reports. You can filter by that category of accounting, and you'll be able to see that one that we just created right here. All right, as I said, if you ever need any help, please feel free to reach out to us. Many of our advanced support packages include reporting assistance and training. Our team is very knowledgeable on the complexities of the YM reporting tool, and we can help you create those monthly reports you guys might need to complete job responsibilities. So click on the link in the description to contact us, or feel free to email us at engage@starkweather.us. Thank you again for tuning in. If you found this helpful, be sure to like or share this video so other associations like yourself can get the YM help they may need. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.